panoramic view of an ultra-modern aircraft factory at sunrise. Drones soaring, robotics hinting at precision. Inside the vast factory, hundreds of robotic arms assemble metal structures, sparks flying in slow motion.
The stress fractures on the left nacelle are still too high at Mach 0.85.
If we adjust the dihedral angle, the airflow should stabilize.
Laser cutters slice aerospace aluminum with breathtaking precision, glowing orange in the dark workshop. Robotic fiber placement machines meticulously lay carbon fiber layers, forming strong, lightweight body panels.
The stress fracture here is significant, highlighted in red.
Yes, but the tensile strength around the joint looks good.
High-tech scanner arms elegantly map metal surfaces, streaming intricate data to a central AI system.
A gigantic warehouse filled with aircraft components. Autonomous forklifts glide silently.
The turbulence near the wingtip is higher than projected.
Let's adjust the angle of it slightly.
A supercomputer server room pulses with life. Thousands of blinking lights indicate intense aerodynamic calculations.
The stress is peaking right at the root. Look at the red zone.
Yes, the deflection is significant, but it's holding.
The vortex shedding is minimal. Minimal. Excellent results. The scan of the starboard fuselage is complete. Data matches the schematic. We are within tolerance.
Today, we integrate the main fuselage sections. Precision is paramount.
Massive cylindrical aircraft body sections are delicately lifted by magnetic cranes, rotating for precise alignment. Robots meticulously weld fuselage seams with ultra-hot plasma beams, sparks flying dramatically in slow motion.
Make sure that edge is fully sealed.
Yes, thermal bridging reduced.
A giant spinning tool rapidly tightens thousands of rivets onto the aircraft body, ensuring structural integrity. Robots precisely attach internal structural frames, forming the robust metal skeleton of the aircraft.
A high-speed time-lapse shows the fuselage growing longer as sections attach, transforming into a recognizable aircraft.
Small, agile inspection drones fly silently inside the hollow fuselage, scanning for structural imperfections. Paint robots gracefully apply a protective primer coating inside the fuselage, creating a clean, uniform surface. Window frames are laser cut and polished to absolute perfection, gleaming under focused lights. Automated machines gracefully place and seal aircraft windows with perfect precision, a testament to robotics. Robots install cargo bay doors, meticulously checking hydraulic movement for robust engineering and flawless automation. High-definition scanners map internal wiring for safety, creating a glowing digital map to ensure precise connections.
A cinematic long shot.
The fuselage is locked inside a massive pressure testing chamber, clamps engaged, enduring extreme air pressure. The completed fuselage majestically rolls out of the assembly line, a gleaming metal giant. A massive robotic arm delicately lifts a half-completed aircraft wing, rotating it under bright inspection lights.
Automated drilling machines insert thousands of rivets along the wing, creating symmetrical patterns and structural integrity. A robotic welding system meticulously seals internal wing fuel tanks, sparks reflecting dramatically for safety.
The load distribution is optimal. No stress fractures. A vast wing assembly hall reveals both aircraft wings side by side, massive steel birds meticulously prepared.
Robotic arms deftly attach wing flaps and slats, testing smooth, synchronized hydraulic movements for aerodynamic control.
A long shot captures massive wings transported on a sliding magnetic conveyor, mesmerizing movement across the factory.
A stunning slow-motion shot captures a wing undergoing intense vibration testing, revealing subtle ripples on its surface.
Robots meticulously install internal wiring for wing sensors, creating a glowing, intricate network.
Engineers use laser scanners to map wing curvature with microscopic accuracy, creating a precise digital twin.
Workers meticulously install landing light housings on wing edges, ensuring visibility and safety for flight. The vertical stabilizer majestically mounts on a giant stand, towering over the assembly hall.
Horizontal stabilizers are delicately attached using magnetic clamps and robotic precision tools, ensuring seamless integration.
Technicians meticulously connect tail control surfaces, ensuring perfect aerodynamic balance for flight stability. Hydraulic testing of rudder and elevator movement is performed under high pressure, revealing powerful, fluid motion.
A wide-angle factory view showcases impressive scale. Wings and tail sections glow, awaiting final integration.
Right here, station 42.
Scanning now. Looks stable, well within tolerance.
Confirmed on the schematic. Good work.
The fully finished wings majestically roll out towards the central fuselage assembly line, gleaming and ready.
Robotic machines assemble delicate turbine fans with micromillimeter precision, ensuring perfect balance and alignment.
The camera glides past multiple jet engines in different assembly stages, a symphony of industrial progress. A laser balancing machine meticulously spins turbine blades, eliminating vibrations for optimal engine performance and longevity.
Robots precisely attach engines' outer metal cowling panels, glowing welding lights illuminating the seamless closure. The jet engine undergoes an intense thermal stress test inside a fireproof bunker, flames roaring and temperatures soaring.
A fully built jet engine is majestically lifted by a massive crane, ready for attachment under the aircraft wing. The cockpit frame is meticulously prepared, featuring giant transparent aviation-grade windshields, a precursor to flight. The autopilot core computer is carefully fitted into the cockpit's main console, with intricate connections and glowing lights. Hundreds of cables and connectors are neatly arranged behind the cockpit panel, forming an intricate, organized network. Robotic arms meticulously install overhead control modules inside the cockpit, signifying advanced automation and integration.
All systems nominal. Ready for integration.
Diagnostics complete. Power core fluctuations stabilized at 99% efficiency.
The finished cockpit, a marvel of engineering, slowly slides toward the fuselage for installation, becoming the nerve center.
The massive fuselage is majestically lifted by giant hydraulic towers. Slowly,
powerful robotic clamps engage, locking wings and fuselage together with enormous torque, ensuring seamless, secure connection. The powerful jet engine is precisely attached beneath the wing using precision robotic mounts, a testament to automation.
Torque is set. Confirmed. Reading matches the schematic.
An automated system installs all exterior lights, navigation, strobe, and taxi lights, illuminating the aircraft.
The electric system powers up. Thousands of lights blink to life inside the aircraft, signifying its awakening.
Cabin interior installation is in full swing. Robotic loaders efficiently install seats in perfect rows, transforming the fuselage.
Emergency exit slides are meticulously packed inside the doors. This compact, intricate mechanism is vital for passenger safety.
Aircraft paint robots spray elegant colors in an immaculate chamber, transforming the aircraft into a gleaming masterpiece.
Logo decals are smoothly applied to the aircraft tail by robotic arms, marking its identity for service.
Engine first ignition test. Giant turbines roar to life, flames erupt, and the aircraft vibrates with immense power. Brake testing, landing gear drop tests, and emergency power checks are meticulously performed, confirming robust functionality and safety. The completed aircraft is majestically towed slowly out of the factory to the runway, a symbol of industrial accomplishment.
Systems are green.
Let's make history.
The aircraft powerfully accelerates on the runway in mesmerizing slow motion, mighty engines roaring with immense force.
Breathtaking takeoff. The jet majestically lifts into the sky, sunlight glinting dramatically behind its powerful wings.